a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
before, and we liked them. They got a good success rate. Bam, that is WIGENCOUNTERS. Okay, I have no idea what's in this. All I did was take it out of the box. It says affordable, trendy human hair wigs of high quality. Let's see if they lie, okay? So the wig came in this little silken pouch. And whoever get this off Poshmark, it's yours, because y'all know I ain't gonna keep no human hair. Okay, it comes with stocking caps. That's it. And the unit. Ooh, I see color. And see, they send this little card that make it so easy, because y'all know I will butcher some details on the wig. It is 100% Brazilian human hair. It is 22 inches. It's 180% density. It's a 13 by 5 T-part lace wig, and it has baby health. See how easy that was? However, if you look at the description box, you will see all that too. I'm gonna add it, okay? I see color in this wig. Did it have a color on the thing? It just says same as the picture. Okay. But looking at the description box, like I said, I put a direct link to where you would go and get this. Alrighty. I think it's a 27 though. That's what it looked like. Just taking it out of the net. Y'all. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? That looks like a 27. Those curls are absolutely gorgeous on this. And that color. All right, let's look at the cap construction. She comes with a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then in the front, it's a T-part. So you get 13 inches of lace going around the perimeter, 5 inches of lace going down that part, and you get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left, and you get a comb in the back. It also comes, and that's what I love about WIGENCOUNTERS wigs. That is what makes them lay so flat. They put this little band, kind of like, you know, on synthetic wigs, like Outre, that melted hairline, that band to be about to kill me, but to make it lay flush. They put these in the wig as well. Before I cut off this lace, let's put her on my head, if I can get that on. Okay. Ew, get on, stupid thing. Okay. Alrighty, let's put her on and see if we like her. The hair smells good too. I will say, ooh, y'all, that's gonna be a look. I will say sometimes human hair stinks, period. There, I said it. Okay, they say if you soak it in vinegar, it'll kill the smell. Only thing I'm soaking in vinegar is peppers. Oh, y'all, but this is a whole mood. And what I love about a T-part is just so easy and convenient. Y'all, that's gonna be bomb. All right. How many inches did I say this was? I want to say I said 18 or 20. And that's where it falls on me. I'm gonna stand up so you can see. Okay. Here's my boobie. That's where it falls. What is this on me? Okay. Nice length, nice density. Okay. Let's cut off this lace and come back with my final thoughts. I'm walking the about wig encounters, yeah, it was an outfit change. Some stuff occurred, but y'all, I absolutely, hands down, 1000% recommend this wig. This is like Valentino in human hair form. Like, I am in love. Look at the coloring job on this. Absolutely gorgeous and super, super beginner friendly. Like, I love this one. This one is a must have. If I wore human hair, I would actually keep this one for myself, but y'all know I prefer being bald. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's not just the color, because sometimes you got to watch it because we'll fall in love with like the color, but it's not just the color. It's actually the hair itself too. Super soft, no tangling, no shedding. Of course, this is it fresh out of the pack, but I definitely, hands down, 1000% recommend this one. This one is beautiful for the spring and the summer and the fall, period. Definitely, definitely recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you aren't into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your Auntie Tina. Maybe it's your Uncle Tommy. Whichever one, send them our way and me and Wig Encounters to get them right. They also always give me a coupon code, so if you look at the description box, you'll see that as well. Cute. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon, go get this one for real.